everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a rubber band jump fingers. This will be an easy magic trick tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, let me show you what it looks like, okay? Let me just set it up. Give me a quick moment over here, just like this. So as you can see, I have a rubber band here, and now it's here. Just like that. Cool, eh? Pretty cool. I know, I still impress myself whenever I do this. It's like one of the easiest magic tricks to learn, but also one of the coolest magic tricks to learn. So let's get right into the video tutorial. I love it. I just love seeing it on camera. Let's do it one more time. I'm sorry. It's just, look at this. It's just beautiful. Whoa! Woo! It's like that. Easy. Okay. So all you need is a rubber band. You know, you want to choose one that's the appropriate size. Something that is stretchable when you're stretching it on your fingers. You don't want it to be too loose because you need that sort of, that jumping action to make it jump from two fingers to the other. You're going to go ahead and put that rubber band, sorry about that. You're going to put that rubber band around your ring finger and your pinky finger. Your two fingers towards the end of your hand, opposite your thumb. Okay? Just like that. So it's around those two fingers, just like that over there. I'm trying to do that thing with my, there we go. It's around those two fingers, just like that. I was trying to do this with my hand. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to look on the palm side right here. We're going to take this elastic band. I'm just going to straighten it out. We're going to take this elastic band. We're going to pull it towards the meaty part of the palm where your thumb is. So the meaty part of like your thumb where your palm side is. And then you're going to take all four of these fingers, all four of these, and put them inside of that opening. So all four go inside of the opening. And you're going to leave the elastic band like this. You need all four fingers inside of that opening. When you show, you're not going to show people this side. This is what you do to set it up. You're going to show people this side. So you say, check it out. I got the rubber band around the last two fingers. And then you're going to lift all four fingers up at the same time. They all four have to be within that band and lifting it up at the same time for this to work. So you're just going to go like this. I'll show you from this side. You're going to go like that, and it's going to jump to the other two fingers. And what they're going to see is that, right? So just to reiterate it one more time, you're putting the elastic band around your ring finger and your pinky. You are stretching it down towards the palm side of your thumb. All four of these fingers are going inside of that opening like this, and you're letting the band go like that, all four under there. And then you're just going to lift all four fingers up at the same time. Woo! Just like that. And obviously, I would choose probably a slightly bigger elastic, because then it would end up like that. Right? You know what I mean? So you need to choose the right elastic size, and that's it. It's that easy to do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.